So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. You know, actually there is like Instacart shoppers. Here, we can do a new tab really quick, a new topic really quick. Instacart shoppers were caught stealing groceries.
What the heck?
Yeah, do you hear about this?
No.
So
I mean, I'm not surprised, but
yeah, so basically what happened was Instacart shoppers were caught stealing groceries from their customers. Like, they would basically place an order and then they would get charged for the whole thing, but there would be like 5 missing items. Or sometimes you can add on items really easily with Instacart. So if somebody orders like 100 items, people just adding on, like, you know, in the checkout line where they have candy bars and stuff, people just throw in candy bars and just eat it themselves. Like, but put it on the customer's tab.
What the heck?
Or what happened sometimes was when basically what Instacart shoppers were doing, this is crazy. They would do Instacart shopping like normal and wait till they get a huge order, like a $500 Costco order. And then they would take all that food home to themselves. And they would just report the groceries. I don't even know. They would just basically sign off the app and take all the food.
What the heck?
Yeah, and then the customer was just like, the food didn't show up, and then the shopper was like, oh, well, I dropped it off. Like, so I don't know. It's just crazy though.
Yeah.
Because there's not really a way to like track all that, especially with groceries. Like, you know, groceries are expensive.
Yeah, true.